Hi guys, welcome to my first video of 2018. Cheers! I hope you all had a good start for the new year. Now, I haven't been able to post a lot of videos the last 2 months. And that's because I have quite a busy job that I've taken on since last year. The plan is for 2018 to update this channel much more frequently. So you're going to be seeing a lot of videos in 2018. The channel has more or less been centered around the Kawasaki KZ750 4-cylinder, the limited version, on which I've done quite some work. I still have a little bit of catch-up work to do. I have to completely rebuild a carburetor which I tore apart recently, and I have some valve work to do on the first Kawasaki that I rebuilt. But in addition, for 2018 I've decided to introduce a totally different and new project. And this project I'm going to be doing together with a friend of mine, Ted Cox, who has a lot of knowledge and experience with older motorcycles. And actually the project is lying at my feet all in parts. So I'll introduce you to this project in just a minute. And the plan is for 2018 to document every step we take in this project. So it's going to be a complete reference for anyone interested in rebuilding this type of bike. Thank you for all your patience, I appreciate it, and I'll do some catch-up work the coming weeks on the Kawasaki, and I'll also get started on this brand new project that I'm going to be introducing to you right now. Welcome to the 1949 Matchless G3L project. Here's the tank with its emblem, which immediately gives away that it is a Matchless motorcycle. And like I mentioned, everything is lying around in parts. We have the complete frame, we have some spare parts, we have a spare tank, the wheels, we have to spoke the wheels. I need a rear and a front axle. As far as I could determine up till now, that's what we're missing. Besides that, boxes full of parts, as you can see here. Exhaust, complete engine, the gearbox, the covers, fenders, an old valuable headlamp. We have all the parts to build this bike. So the first step is going to be documenting every part I have and determining which parts I'm missing. I need the right schematics to make sure that we put this bike back together complete and correct. It's going to be a complete rebuild and, where possible, a complete restoration using original parts. And this is the project for 2018. So now you guys know what my plans are for 2018. It's going to be a total rebuild of this Matchless G3L. In addition, or parallel to this rebuild, I'm also going to do some more work on the Kawasaki's with regards to carburetor and some valve work that I need to do. So I hope you enjoy the upcoming more frequent videos. Thanks again for subscribing and watching the videos, and I look forward to this new year. Thanks again.